A Microsoft account is an important part of using Windows 10. It gives you single sign-in access to all of the Microsoft and Windows 10 services from Skype and Office to Outlook and the Store. Setting one should be the first thing you do in Windows 10. In this video we will learn the same, that how we can set up a Microsoft account. So let's start the video. Microsoft prefers its users to have a single main account. Here we show you how to create one as well as look at any other further settings you might need. You can sign up for an account when you install or initialize Windows 10 for the first time. But you can also create one at www.account.microsoft.com. This is also where you can customize your account settings, which we will come onto shortly. Even if you think you don't have a Microsoft account, it's quite possible that you do have one. Ever had a Hotmail or Outlook.com address, or did you use MSN or Windows Live Messenger? You can sign in with those same credentials. In addition to Windows and Outlook.com, you can also use your account across all Microsoft services including Xbox Live, Skype, Office and Bing, as well as Windows powered phones. You can create a Microsoft account with any email address. So even if you use Gmail, you can still get a Microsoft account. It's optional whether you have a new Outlook.com email account as well. During the installation process for Windows 10, you will be asked to sign in using your Microsoft account. You can also sign in with a local account. Microsoft will then go and fetch any information connected to your account, such as your profile picture, etc. Once you have signed in your Microsoft account, you can configure it from within Windows 10. Open the main setting and choose Accounts. You can change options to do with the account itself here, as well as how often your computer should require you to sign in. Clicking Manage Your Account will take you to your account page online. You may see an update to your account terms and conditions when you do this for the first time. Here you can see recent purchases, your devices, personal info, plus payment info, and change your password. Back in Settings, Accounts, sync your settings. You can tell your PC what details you want it to synchronize to your Microsoft account. Aside from several other options, you can choose whether you want your stored password to be synchronized using your Microsoft account. Services within Windows 10 that use your Microsoft account, such as Mail or the Windows Store, will now automatically have your account details pre-filled. You will be able to get access to your purchase history and more via the individual apps. Within Settings, Accounts, you can also add family member to your PC, so they use their own login and don't have to share your account. You can specify time limits and restrict the type of games that can be played. You can even add people that aren't in your family group. Thank you for watching the video.